In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to landscape in LibreOffice Spreadsheet. If you're working in LibreOffice Calc and you want your spreadsheet to print or display in a wider horizontal layout, switching the page orientation to landscape is a quick and useful adjustment. This is especially helpful when your sheet has many columns and the default portrait view feels too narrow. To get started, open your LibreOffice Calc file. Make sure the spreadsheet you want to work on is already visible on your screen, because the setting we're about to change applies directly from within the file. Once your file is open, move your attention to the top menu bar. Click on Format to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, look for Page Style and select it. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear. This window contains the page formatting options for your spreadsheet, including paper size, margins, and orientation. Inside the pop-up window, open the Page tab. This is the section where you can control how the page is set up for printing and layout. If another tab opens by default, just click on Page to switch to the correct one. Now, look for the orientation setting. This is the option that determines whether the page is vertical or horizontal. You should see choices for portrait and landscape. Choose landscape by clicking the radio button beside it. Landscape means the page will be set horizontally, giving you more width across the sheet. This can make large tables easier to fit and often improves the way content is arranged on the printed page. After selecting landscape, click OK to apply the change. Once you do that, you may also notice dashed indicator lines appearing on the sheet. These lines help show the printable page boundaries, which can be useful for understanding how your content will fit on each page. And that's it. Your LibreOffice spreadsheet is now set to landscape orientation. As a quick tip, after changing the orientation, it can be helpful to review your sheet layout and make sure the content fits the way you want. If needed, you can continue adjusting other page settings from the same page style window later. That's all you need to do to change to landscape in LibreOffice Calc.